Meaning of galactic.
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 Galactic. The term galactic refers to anything that pertains to or originates from our galaxy, the Milky Way. Using this term can help differentiate objects or phenomena within our own galaxy from those that exist in other galaxies. For example, astronomers might study galactic structures like spiral arms or star clusters within the Milky Way, while also observing extragalactic phenomena like distant quasars or supernovae in other distant galaxies. Studying the galactic environment helps us better understand the history and formation of our own galaxy, and can lead to insights into the broader structure and nature of the universe as a whole.